Hello everyone, my name is Aradhya Mishra. Today we will make a wall clock and how to calculate the time. For making clock, we need a cardboard. I paste the white paper to cardboard, a cell, clock motor, hour hand, minute hand and second hand, and some number sticker. First, I stick the numbers of clock. First 12, 1 and 2. Now 3, now 6, now 9, now I stick the more numbers. 1, 2, 2. 4, 5. Now 6, 6, 6 next. 2, 0, 2, 8. And 8. Now I stick all the numbers of clock here. Now I put the motor here and stick my wall clock. This is the circle. Now I stick our hand here, minute hand here and second hand here. Now I insert the cell to the clock motor. The time is 4:45. So 45 and 4 seconds away. The clock is ready. I tell you how to make the clock, but I didn't tell you how to calculate the time. So if the time is, the minute hand is to the 12 and the hour hand is to the 6, it means it is 6 o'clock. If the hour hand is to the 1 and the minute hand to the 11, it means it is 1:55. And if the minute hand complete one circle, it mean 1 hour is completed. Bye bye.